Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if a specified logon session does not exist. It may already have been terminated. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in local security, best match, should come back with local security policy. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to double click on the local policies folder, and then you want to select the security options folder in here. Just left click on that one time. On the right side, you want to go down to the network access entries and look here where it says do not allow storage of passwords and credentials for network authentication. Go ahead and select disabled, and then once you've done that, you want to go ahead and select apply and OK if you had to make any changes in there. And then once you're done, close out of here, and you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.